Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be solving a nice algebra problem. AB equals to 1000 and A plus B equals to 100. How do we solve for A and B? First, let us call this equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 2, A is equal to 100 minus B. The next thing we are going to do now is to replace this particular A with 100 minus B. That means from here, we are going to have 100 minus B times B equal to 1000. Let's continue. 100 times B, that is 100B, minus B times B, that is B square, equal to 1000. This implies that B square minus 100B plus 1000 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. So we have B square minus 100B. Let's move 1000 to the right hand side. So we have minus 1000. What we have to do now is to add half of the coefficient of B and at the same time square it to both sides. The coefficient of B is minus 100. So that will be minus 100 divided by 2 and at the same time square it. This is what we are going to add to both sides of this equation. That means from here we are going to have B square minus 100B plus minus 100 divided by 2 all squared equal to minus 1000 plus this guy minus 100 divided by 2 all squared. So we have B square minus 100B plus minus 100 divided by 2, that is minus 50 all squared equal to minus 1000 plus minus 100 divided by 2, that is also minus 50 all squared. Let's proceed further. It is possible to combine this left hand side. If we do so, we have B minus 50 all squared equal to minus 1000 plus minus 50 all squared is 2500. So we have B minus 50 all squared equal to 2500 minus 1000, that is 1500. Now, let us take square root of both sides. We have square root of B minus 50 all squared equal to plus or minus square root of 1500. Clearly, this bigger square root takes care of this power. We are left with B minus 50 equal to plus or minus square root of 1500 could be written as square root of 15 times square root of 100. B minus 50 is equal to plus or minus root 15. Square root of 100 is simply 10. So we have times 10. Let's continue. B minus 50 is equal to plus or minus 10 times root 15, that is 10 root 15. This implies that B minus 50 is equal to, consider the plus sign, that will be 10 root 15, or B minus 50 is equal to the negative sign minus 10 root 15. From this line, we have B equal to 50 plus 10 root 15, or also from this line, we have B equal to 50 minus 10 root 15. It is obvious that we have two values for B. We can then use these two values to obtain the value of A. Since A is equal to 100 minus B, let me show you where we got this equation from. It's actually from this line. So let's proceed further. What we have to do now is to consider each value of B when B is equal to 50 plus 10 root 15. A is equal to 100 minus. We will now replace this particular B with this guy. 50 plus 10 root 15. A equal to 100 minus times 50, that is minus 50, minus times plus, that is minus 10 root 15. A equal to 100 minus 50, that is 50, minus 10 root 15. This is the value of A and this is the value of B. Let's call this guy A1 and this B1. This means that the first solution, A1 comma B1, is equal to A1 is 50 minus 10 root 15 and B1 is 50 plus 10 root 15. This is the first solution. Now let us consider the second value of B. When B is equals to 50 minus 10 root 15, when B is equal to 50 minus 10 root 15, what we just have to do is substitute it here. So we are going to have A equal to 100 minus 50 minus 10 root 15. A equal to 100 minus times 50, that is minus 50, minus times minus, that is plus 10 root 15. A equal to 100 minus 50, that is 50, plus 10 root 15. This is the second value of A and this is the second value of B. Let's call this A2 and this B2. This means that A2 comma B2 is equal to A2 is 50 plus 10 root 15 and B2 is 50 minus 10 root 15. This is the second solution. So therefore, all the solutions that we have for this algebra problem are A comma B is equal to, the first solution is 50 minus 10 root 15 comma 50 plus 10 root 15, close the brackets. And the second solutions that we have is simply this guy, 50 plus 10 root 15 comma 50 minus 10 root 15. This is the required solution for this algebra problem, but let us verify if these answers are actually correct. So verify. We are going to verify using equation 2. A plus B equal to 100. This is equation 2. Consider the first solution. This is A, while this is B. So this becomes 50 minus 10 root 15 plus, what is B? B is this guy, 50 plus 10 root 15. This equal to minus 10 root 15 cancels plus 10 root 15. We are left with 50 plus 50, which is just 100. This is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. So indeed, the first solution is correct. Let's verify the second one. This is our A, while this is our B. Plugging it here, we have 50 plus 10 root 15 plus 50 minus 10 root 15. This equal to, similarly, 10 root 15 minus 10 root 15 goes 50 plus 50, that is simply 100. This is also exactly as what we have on this right hand side. So indeed, the second solution is also correct. That's it. Thanks for watching.